Understanding individual eyelashes. Enhance your look. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of beauty and personal care: individual eyelashes. This topic is not just about fashion or makeup. It's also a great opportunity to expand your English vocabulary and comprehension, especially if you're passionate about beauty trends. So, let's get started and explore what individual eyelashes are all about. Individual eyelashes are small clusters of lashes, or sometimes even single lashes, that are applied to your natural lash line one by one. Unlike traditional false lashes that come in a full strip, individual lashes offer a more natural, customizable look. They allow for precise application, letting you add volume and length exactly where you need it. This method is perfect for those seeking a more subtle enhancement to their eyes, emphasizing that the beauty is truly in the details. Choosing individual eyelashes over strip lashes comes with several key advantages. Firstly, they provide a more natural appearance, blending seamlessly with your own lashes. They're also more versatile, allowing you to customize the look to your liking, be it dramatic or subtle. Moreover, individual lashes tend to be more comfortable to wear and can last longer with proper care, making them a practical choice for extended wear. Applying individual eyelashes might seem daunting at first, but with a few tips, you'll become a pro in no time. Start with a clean, dry eyelid and use tweezers to carefully pick up each lash. Dip the base of the lash in a small amount of lash adhesive, then gently place it on your lash line, close to the roots of your natural lashes. Remember to be patient and allow the glue to dry completely for a secure hold. Practice makes perfect, and soon, you'll be able to achieve a flawless, eye-enhancing look. To ensure your individual lashes last as long as possible, it's important to follow a few care guidelines. Avoid oil-based makeup removers and cleansers as they can loosen the adhesive. Gently cleanse the eye area and avoid rubbing or pulling on the lashes. With proper care, your individual lashes can last for weeks, making them a convenient and beautiful addition to your beauty routine. We hope this video has shed some light on the world of individual eyelashes and how they can transform your look in a subtle yet impactful way. Whether you're looking to enhance your natural beauty or just experimenting with new looks, individual eyelashes offer a versatile, customizable option that's worth exploring. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and English learning content. See you in the next video.